Wanchese is based on seafood and boat building. We build sport fishing yachts. We've been in business 21 years. I've met a lot of good people, good vendors like Imtra. Had the experience to use a lot of good products, really put them to the test on a really cool boat.
If you've never ridden on one, you need to go ride on one. It is hands and feet above anything out there. Speed-wise, it's just insanity. Getting something this big, running 46 knots. And it'll turn on a dime like a dirt bike. That blows my mind, just being part of that. And I guess that's why I've been here for 20 years.
You've got 15 to 20 different boat builders that have been through this area over the years. Majority of these guys grew up fishing and turned into boat builders.
A couple years into college, I took a semester off and I cut fish at Oregon Inlet Fishing Center. And that's where I started to become enamored with the shape of a Carolina boat.
We got an awesome team. They're incredible. Sometimes they're hard-headed like their boss man, but that's okay. So we did the one that had the chrome on it. Changed it all, changed them just regular black. That looked good, white and black. But I think this combo looks nice. There's a reason these are custom. You want to put something like that in a boat and trying to fit that much stuff into that little of an engine room. If you want to try it, let's try it. Which is cool and different. I like that. So you don't get kind of lulled into, it's the same boat, same stuff.
Do it often enough, every day, all day, and yet still constantly challenged. That's the reason for still having the interest. If I thought I had it licked, I wouldn't do it anymore, I'm sure.
Every boat got its own personality, basically. Not one is the same as the other ones. What we pride ourselves on is learning from a previous boat and what can we do better on the next one. And it's a challenge, or to be continuing to make everything better, one boat at a time.
With all the new products that keep coming out, once we get a new piece of equipment, we can start hooking that up and figuring out what it takes to wire that. Working with Imtra and giving us all the details of the product so we can choose what's going to work out best. That's one thing that keeps the interest going. Having the flexibility of all the different equipment and the reliability of the components. That's been a huge plus.
These are all Imtra lights, and then we have our Imtra dimmer here, the control modules in here. I mean, it's a really simple but functional system.
The history of what we have here in the last 40, 45 years, a big to-do of that is Buddy Davis starting up his company years ago and bringing the sport fishing yacht stuff here. Just only grown from that. We have a good relationship with everybody. If we get into a jam, we have a way to go work out something or know that they have something that we can get by with.
I've known Andy for a long time. If I need something, I can call Andy. Vice versa, if Andy needed something, he can call me. And we're kind of all like that. Everybody wants to see everybody do good. At the end of the day, we're all working together.
We all have the same goal, that we're just trying to please the owners that we have.
They're just looking to get the best boat, to have the best experience on the water. It's amazing to see stuff like this come out of such a small area that many people don't know is even here.
Everybody thinks Wanchese, where is that at on the map? It's very surprising once you see how much is really going on.